Okay, so this is the leader pack. So we have here Fresh Air, top seller number 1, Living Water, top seller number 2, Laundry Pure, top seller number 3. And within the vitamins we have also top seller number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so basically this pack, it's, you remember 4 products, it was about $165. Okay, so now Laundry Pure, retail price of this product is $800. Now Fresh Air, the retail price of this product is $750. And Living Water, retail price of this product is $2,000. Now, when you get leader pack, company make you give you gift for the next month, free 4 products, the same vitamin supply for 1 month. So 2 months basically have products. So the retail price of all this pack together, it's about $4,000. Now, company understands that you would like to get this experience to share with your people. Okay, so this is why they give you this opportunity. It's only once in the beginning. You have crazy discount only in the beginning, 50% of all the price. So basically you get all this pack minus 50% if you sign in the beginning. So for $1,997, and this is by the way less that your pack, that your water cost. If you go to shop now, this is the store. You go to the water. Okay, so the price, Living Water price, like you see, this is the product. I will do it bigger. $1,999.999. This is the price. Living Water. Here you have all these products together, including the water, for $2 less. It's only one-time discount in the beginning, 50%. It's crazy discount. Okay, so you will get all this pack together for this price. Now, of course, starting with this pack, you have the experience. You're using the best products on the market today at your home. You have uncompromising health, you and your family. Plus, you have something to share. You have something to show. Okay. Plus, company give you, when you start with this pack, they give you silver position from the first day. Silver position in the beginning. So if you want to make more money, this is the pack to start. If you want to make your less money, if you want your business grow very slow, this is not the right option. The first one is the right. If you want your business to grow very fast like this is the option. Because duplication start working. Because your people gonna ask you, not me, how you started. If you say I started with leader pack, they will start with leader pack, so you're making much more money. If you say I started with a small pack, they will start with a small pack. So your business is going to be very slow. So if you have a lot of time, you choose for yourself whatever you prefer. I don't have a lot of time. This is why I started with this leader pack. And I'm very happy about it. So 95% of all my people start with this pack. Why? Because it's a good deal. It's only one time. It's more money. And it's something to share, to show. Thank you for your time.